Hey folks, Shekhar Suman here from Biotecnika, and this is a special video invite to personally invite all of you. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. evening, I'll be coming live to kickstart the launch of Pratigya batch. Okay, so Pratigya batch basically starts from 5th of January, but on 4th of January at 7 p.m., I'm going to come live and I'm going to give a lot of things, a lot of ideas on how are we going to prepare. So whoever has enrolled can also join. And I know a lot of students who could not join because of several other reasons. So don't worry. So this particular broadcast, which will be there on 4th of January at 7 p.m. is for everybody. We are going to announce some great surprise gifts for all those people who have enrolled as well as not enrolled. So for everybody, there's going to be a surprise gift. So guys, this is a special personal invite to all of you, whoever could get through the Pratigya scholarship and get into the batch, and all those who missed out. For everybody, there's going to be a special gift tomorrow at 7 o'clock. So don't forget to tune in to Biotechnika's YouTube channel. Now, please make sure that you're watching it live, because the recording will not be, the people who will watch the recording will not get the, surprise gift. So only it is for the people who attend it live, okay? So mark your calendars, tomorrow, 7 p.m. I'm going to come live from Biotechnika's headquarters, and we are going to conduct a special session, a launch session of Pratigya batch. And we're going to celebrate our preparation, and we're going to have some useful insights, some valuable insights onto how exactly we're going to strategize for CSIR NET, which is a couple of months away. And we are also going to discuss on what are the gifts which I'm going to give you guys, okay? And also I'll announce the best email of that contest which we conducted on 31st of December. So for that contest also, I'm going to announce the prize, the person who wrote me the best email, okay? And that person will felicitate on that day. So don't miss out, guys. Please watch that live stream tomorrow at 7 p.m. So see you there. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.